Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here. It's 3:37 in the morning, Friday, May 27th, 2016. What I have here is a Commander slash Sinlix slash CEC slash DEMCO, whatever you want to call it. Little vented spinner with a light kit. That's all. I think it's a 52 inch. There's no tags really on the top to indicate what year or what what manufacturer it is, but it definitely looks like a Commander-ish to me. A little surprised by the newer style, rounded style switch housing, but yeah, it's got the old, the DEMCO style upper canopy. So yeah, that's about it. It has the light kit here. And you've got fast. Yeah, it's a little off balance. The blades are a bit irregular, a bit out of whack. But it's a probably at least I don't know, 25-year-old fan, 30-year-old fan. So it's about what you'd expect. It's obviously been very heavily used in its past life. It's all in one piece. Doesn't seem to have been beaten up too badly, but it was obviously somebody's regular fan in a living room or possibly even a kitchen. There's the medium setting. It's still fully functional, but I can see why they didn't want it anymore. It's definitely wobbly and noisy. And slow. Actually, the motor's pretty much silent. It's just, the shakeage is causing it to make a bit of a clicking sound, with the ball chain clacking against the light kit. Yeah. Yeah, and even on the slow setting, it's moving enough air to be to keep the air circulating. Anyway, it's not what you call fast, but it's not really voracious, but it is. It's. I could picture this, in a room, just people leaving it on all day, just keeping the air circulated. Here's what it looks like with its lights off. And now for the spin down. And while it's spinning down, I'd like to Thank you folks out there in YouTube land for watching, and ask that you'll please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my Facebook page, both called the Fancave. Now these folks obviously had the previous owners had the blades just on the wood side. On the top there is a stenciled side, but maybe in future videos I'll flip the blades over, because I prefer the stenciled side myself. But I'm just not going to bother right now until I still have to disassemble it. I bought it in its current shape, completely assembled, so haven't bothered dusting off the blades yet, as you can see, but cleaned off the top of the motor. See if there were any discernible tags, and there's really nothing. Alrighty folks, thanks for watching, good night and good luck.